Hi, I'm Laura from youngwritersworkshops.com. I'm going to talk about how to teach writing to 10th grade students. In the 10th grade writers classroom, you can really use a lot of the writer's workshop model in a way that really focuses on publication. This makes writing a lot more of a real-world proposition as opposed to just completing assignments. You can think about some ways that you really can include publication, either by having students submit their work or compiling work for a blog or a classroom publication that you will later create. So really keep the focus on making the writing authentic so that they'll have a chance to publish. The Writer's Workshop model consists of everyone working together as writers, so giving feedback to one another as a writer would to another writer, and that includes the teacher in this process. So during workshop time, everyone is writing or conferencing, and this will be a great format to follow with the 10th grade class because it will really help everyone have some work time and also some help with editing and feedback from other students, other writers. So at the same time, there are some forms that are dictated by the state. Whatever your state is, you'll have some things that you do need to follow to prepare for standardized testing, and try to incorporate these in with the method of allowing students to choose their own topics, because that'll make it feel a little bit more authentic, not spoon-fed, and it will also give them a chance to practice for some of the standardized testing that they need to do. So those are some of the ideas about how to teach writing to 10th grade students.